today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use a Citiz and Milk Nespresso machine that I recently got a couple of days ago. I've got the pod ready. You know, they come in boxes of 10, 16, but on the website you can only buy 50 at a time because that's how they do it. Oh. So you turn it on, and when it starts to flash green it means it's heating up, and then you get your coffee. I call it the coffee frother, but it's really a milk frother really. And you get your milk. Well, I've chose semi-skimmed, but you can use full fat, the red top lid, any really. And I'm going to pour my milk in up until the minimum level because I'm only making coffee for one today. And pop the lid back on and pop it back on the stand. Now, as you can see, the green light has stopped flashing, so it's warmed up. You just open the silver latch, as I like to call it, pop your coffee pot in, pop the latch back down, and then get your glass. I use a Costa glass. You can use any coffee cup really, but this is for a latte, so I'm going to go for the tall coffee. There's a small coffee button, that's for your smaller coffees obviously, and then you've got the tall coffee button here. So now I've put my milk in the milk frother and my coffee under the glass machine, well, the glass under the coffee machine. Now I'm going to press this button here and it's going to deliver me my coffee. I'm also going to press the milk frother, and this should take around 60 seconds to heat up and froth your milk. So it's quite a noisy machine. I didn't expect it to be as noisy as it is, but when we get your perfect coffee, we can't really moan. Now, as you can see, my coffee is all ready. There, it's settling nicely with a nice little bit of a froth on top. My milk's heating up nicely. Now, this doesn't turn off on its own. You turn it off when you think your milk's frothy enough or hot enough. Now, if you press it once, the milk goes hot. If you press it and hold it twice for 2 seconds, you can have cold milk. So you can have a iced latte, iced coffee, anything you want really. So I think that's going to be enough. So I've turned it off. Now take it off the stand. Obviously, take the lid off, and as you can see, I have frothy milk. So there's my coffee, as you can see, and then obviously this is just a quick demonstration. If you don't like the way I make coffee, then others do it a different way. There's other videos on YouTube and you can go and look at them, but this is the way I just thought I'd make a quick coffee to show you how the machine works and for me to enjoy before I need to go do the dreaded, should I say, veg shop for Christmas. So I pour my milk in like this, and as I'm pouring it in, I want some froth. So obviously get all my froth out. Like I say, this is just a quick coffee that I want before I go Christmas shopping. So there you have it. That's just a standard latte from the Nespresso machine. I hope you like watching my video. If not, then I'm sorry. You can have a coffee on me. Thank you. Goodbye.